Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Oh, that actually worked. Hey, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there with a drone. Oh, wow. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there with a sandwich. And a dog? Whoa. Aw, man.
Life go right. State Farm.
Okay. What is poppin', guys? Alright, as you saw earlier, that was just, that was just a little joke. Like, I like State Farms and I loved it, and from the time I was little, I always loved their commercials, so I just thought it would be funny to make like my own little State Farm commercial. If I could actually star in a State Farm commercial, that would be pretty. Personally, for me, that would be pretty cool, because I always think their commercials are funny to me, and I like how they're short and to the point. So that's how I did with this video. But anyway, I like to thank you guys so much for the ones who subscribe to my channel and who've been leaving likes. And comments on it. I really appreciate it. Been leaving those positive comments. But anyway, I just came to tell you guys that I'm dropping a new video tomorrow. It's a video I had made with my mom, and I have two new intros I have made, but I'm not sure which one to use. Originally I had three, but one of them I got a big copyright flag on the song I used for my third intro. So now I can only use two. But I'm not sure which one to use. So, in the video that's gonna be dropped tomorrow, let me know on which intros you think I should use. All right, guys. All right. As always, we'll be back with more videos, and stay positive, keep pushing, and I'll see you guys soon.